It's just a quick one today. We've come out for an afternoon stroll and we've come to Guys Thatched Hamlet and discovered they've got an event on. So there's a few fairground rides and some donkeys and a few bits and pieces, so we're just going to show you what we find here. But yeah, let's just have a look and see what they've got. You have fun on the donkeys, Peter?
Yep.
Is that good?
Yep.
What was your donkey called?
William.
William.
Yeah.
Called William. Oh. Was that nice? You enjoy that?
Yeah.
Good. Oh God, how are we getting through this? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yeah, you're getting better this time.
Hey! More of these wobbly wires. Ah! Oh dear. Something horribly wrong gone here. Oh my God. Nice fun little fun house that. Really enjoyed that. Actually managed to go all the way over in the little trommel, which is fun. And I'm a bit dizzy, but never mind. It's only a little fair that they've got here. There's only like 2 or 3 rides, mostly aimed at kids. But they've got the fun house, which is brilliant. They've also got this Miami over here, and they've got a little kids teacups ride, which I think I'm going to take Peter on in a minute and see just how fast we can get it to go. teacups has a fixed wheel, so you can't spin it yourself. But thanks to the operator on that, we did actually get quite a good spin on that. That was fun. Enjoyed that. So there's a little skating rink and some trampolines and just a couple of little rides. So it's not massive, but what they've got, it's a lot of fun. We enjoyed it today. Yeah, it's a nice little event. Anyway, as we've done everything that's around, I'm going to sign off and I'll speak to you next time. I hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you have, why not subscribe? Then you can be among the first to find out when we upload a new video. Also, if you head over to our Facebook page, you'll be able to find photos and more information of the stuff that we get to on our park visits. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.